How was the services, and is it really helpful for you?
Okay, so first of all, Gagan, it was outstanding, and I think that the pre-work in preparation for this really paid off, and I appreciated going step by step, and I found that our interaction was very, very centered around my business needs, first and foremost. I really appreciate the ability to ask questions. We've had training in the past where we just listen for an hour. It was highly interactive, and I'm excited. You can even tell by my voice that I have a lot to do, and my colleague Sophia and I are empowered to run with it right now. I mean, actually, right after this call, I'm going to get on and start making some things happen. So I appreciate that. And also your ability to elicit questions and respond to very specific things, I think was very spot on. So thank you.
All right. And would you recommend target integration to others? And if yes, why would you do that?
Without reservation, because I think we get executive and enterprise quality at the smaller business to medium-sized business. My background was in the enterprise prior to running my own practice, and I felt like I had the highest caliber of advice, but also application. And so I think this is a great equalizer, in my opinion.
All right. All right. Thanks for your kind words. It was lovely talking to you, and would be definitely moving further, looking to work with you.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.